Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your Wix website more helpful and approachable for visitors, today's tutorial is just for you. We're going to walk step by step through the process of creating a professional-looking FAQ page in Wix. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to set up an FAQ section, but you'll understand how to customize it so it fits seamlessly with the rest of your site. Let's dive right in. First up, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and open up the website design editor. This is your creative control room where you can shape every aspect of your website from colors to content. If you haven't used Wix much before, don't worry, the editor is pretty intuitive. Take a moment to look around and get oriented. When you're ready, we're going to add a new section to your site. Adding a section is easy, but let's pause here for a moment to explain why it matters. Sections keep your website organized and let you mix different kinds of content in a way that makes navigation smooth for your visitors. Click the Add Section button, usually located on the left sidebar or hovering over the page area. Choose a spot on your page where you want your FAQs to appear. Maybe you want them on a dedicated FAQ page or right on your homepage if you get lots of common questions. Once you've added your section, let's head over to the fun part, adding apps. On the left side of the editor, you'll see an Add Apps button. Apps in Wix work kind of like plugins. They let you bring new features onto your site without any complicated coding. Click Add Apps and you'll see a search bar appear. Type in Wix FAQ. This is the official FAQ app from Wix, designed specifically to help you quickly set up interactive frequently asked questions. You'll see Wix FAQ pop up in the results. Go ahead and select it, then click Add to bring it onto your page. It should appear right in the section you just created. If you don't see it right away, don't worry, sometimes it takes a few moments to load, especially if your internet speed is on the slower side. Be patient and soon enough you'll see a set of example questions and answers. Now let's make those FAQs your own. Click Manage FAQ. This is where you get to edit, remove, or add your own questions and answers. Think about what your audience or customers ask the most. You can tailor this list based on real inquiries or try to anticipate the things that people might want to know. For example, if you're running an online store, common FAQs might cover shipping policies, return procedures, or payment options. For a portfolio site, maybe people want to know about your experience or how to contact you. Don't feel pressured to get it perfect on your first try. You can always come back and update your FAQ section as your site and audience evolve. Finally, let's polish things up with settings and design. Open up the settings for your FAQ app. Here you'll see options to modify the main details, the display style, the layout, and design elements like colors and fonts, even support settings for linking to help resources. Each tweak you make should reflect your brand and make the FAQ easy for visitors to read and understand. Play around with these settings until it matches the rest of your site. For instance, you might want your FAQ headers to stand out or set up a compact layout so it doesn't take up too much space. Don't be afraid to experiment. And that's it, you now have a clean, functional FAQ page embedded right into your Wix website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need more guidance along the way. I'd love to hear your feedback or help troubleshoot if you get stuck. And if you want more easy-to-follow website tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy website building.